Hello everyone, I am Debashrita Siddhanto and I am currently studying my MBBS from Nil Ratan Sarkar Medical College, Kolkata. I was a student of Bittuda in my 11th and 12th, and I consider myself extremely lucky that I found him. He is the best. Believe me, he is undoubtedly the best. Whatever he teaches, he starts us from the very basic, and he assumes that we have no previous knowledge on that particular part, and which was very essential for me too. And I would like to mention one thing that when I was in my drop year, I dropped for 1 year to crack NEET, and when I was in my drop year, then I was not officially a student of his regular batches, but he was always available for me whenever I had any doubt in whichever topic. He was always available for me to help me out. And also I scored quite well in competitive exams, and what I believe is it only depends on your basic knowledge. If you are good and if you have a good grip on your basic concepts, then you are always good to go. And one thing I would like to mention that in my drop year, he taught me some topics that I still remember. For example, he taught me the chemistry of the lanthanides and actinides elements, and regarding their sequential lengths basically. And he also taught me the trick to remember the melting point and boiling point trains of the P block and D block elements, which I still remember. And he also taught me the log calculations, how to do the log calculations in short time. And before that, I was completely unable to solve any kind of equilibrium questions, and I used to just avoid those kinds of simple equilibrium questions because I was unable to do those calculations, and it was very helpful for me. And one thing I would like to emphasize that he always put good effort on the very small topics which are actually very critical and rank determining factor for the competitive exams, and which most of the students often avoid also, that I believe. And that is why it's my suggestion that if you really want to improve your concepts, if you really want to crack NEET or IIT JEE or any kind of such competitive exams, then please join Talenta Institute, and you will be greatly benefited for that. It's my suggestion. Stay safe. Thank you.